Okay, we finish with the discussion about computer science and how I see the evolution of computer science. The first point I have commented already, and I think that the focus should be on system design. This is central to the discipline as I see its evolution today. And this I have commented already. I think that computer science complements and enriches our knowledge with theory and models that allow a deeper understanding of discrete dynamic systems. This is true. And if I compare computer science to physics, proposes a constructive and operational view of the world. This is also true. And the reason I show this slide is because you can imagine I'm giving lectures, a lot of lectures everywhere in the world. And I was surprised to have discussion with people that consider that, for instance, computer science is just a branch of mathematics. Computer science is a discipline on its own right, with its own paradigms, its own concepts. I hope you understand this. So I think these are three basic disciplines, and mathematics is a logical study behind and providing all of the tools. But I hope there is no confusion about that. I think it's interesting to attempt a comparison between physics and computer science for many reasons. I think there are important differences because physics deals with the phenomena of real physical world, so this is something that is given, and the computer science deals with artifacts, okay? Focuses mainly on the construction of systems. And one important question is whether we build the systems that are good enough or okay, whatever. And for physical systems, we have an analytical model to understand. So here the approach is more declarative. And here we have a more constructive approach based on discrete mathematics, based on continuous mathematics, and I hope you understand the differences. One important difference is that here you can be predicted, at least in classic physics, and here you are using a lot of verification to establish correctness. The other, so let's say a few words on the relation between artificial and natural intelligence. You know that living organisms combine physical and computational phenomena.